guys, welcome to my channel. This is another video of the series Expectation versus Reality, and it is the fourth time that I attempt to paint clouds. I am still using the same two tutorials that I have shared, but I'm going to put in the description anyway. And this is how it is supposed to start, a really nice result. But by reasons of stupidity, I forgot to click rack button after a really problematic start. So I'm going to show how it got, that one that I started, but I'm going to start another one just to show how I did it. I had a little bit of issues because I think I was using a little too much liquid with Italo Blue, and when I was passing the white on top and I was trying to blur that out, it started to mix with the blue and started to change the color, and I also mixed the white and gray ink with liquid, so it was too liquid and it was making those lines. It was a little weird. So I decided to stop, let it dry, and then continue. But unfortunately I forgot to start recording. After it dried, it worked fine. Although some of the tutorials they say to do it with the ink wet anyway. The second one is going to look a little bit different because I wanted to do a little fast, so I made the background with acrylic ink. And acrylic ink is not transparent as the Pitalo Blue. It's nicer to put something as white on top of a transparent color because it makes pop a lot. And I don't have the kind of result with acrylic, but it was nice to see also that it changed the texture of the paper, just something really smooth. So maybe sometime I'm going to try that, to try to smooth out the canvas, even though I always use gesso. So here I tried the technique that I saw in the two videos. I did one side using some techniques of one of them and the other one with another technique of one of them. And to be honest, I like the three of them. I like better the first one that I did, exactly because of the transparency and how it looks to put the color on top of something transparent. And I did it with a little bit more time, a little bit more patience, and I was able to get more of that, how can I say, it's not blur, but like when the clouds are really thin and you can see almost as it is a spray. The way that I prefer to work from those attempts, it's actually to go with the midtones first. I apply everything with the midtone. I smooth that out with a very soft brush. Then I go with a light color on top, and then a darker color is where I think it should be. And I smooth that out, and then in the end I go with a little bit more, but I'm not going to smooth that part because I want to have a little bit more of highlight. It's also nice when you put just a little bit of ink, leaving like a spray, and then you smooth a little bit. One thing that I would like to share that I wish I knew before, the soft brush that I'm using is from eBay and it's not good quality, so I had a lot of hair falling into that. Every time that I try to remove, I make lines like scratches that removed part of the ink. It was not nice. I saw that some people use makeup brush, and makeup brush, it's really cheap if you buy from cheap brands, of course. I used to have a lot, but I gave them away if I knew I was going to use them for sure. I tried to use a fan brush to smooth out. I have a very soft one. It does the job, but I didn't like so much. Oh, and this time I followed my own device and I selected a picture that's a little bit easier to replicate. That there was pretty much one cloud with a lot of details. The rest was very simple. And I didn't follow exactly how it was, but I used it as a reference to know what kind of texture I was aiming for. I'm happy that I was able to record in a good quality this time. I'll probably be switching between two places to record, but I was able to eliminate almost everything of the glare and now the angle looks nice. Please let me know if you have any suggestions, if there's something that you prefer, or if you would like me to try other tutorials. For a next video, I'm actually thinking about recording one that I saw that doesn't have technique. It's more about copying what the guy is doing, but the class looks really colorful, really interesting. I'm going to do it and share. I hope you all had a good week, as good as we could have in that social distancing. Boring, but that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please remember to give a thumbs up or subscribe. Bye bye.